Hi, we are here at Søllerød Kro. It's a restaurant that's been here for over 300 years. So it's a very classical stage, but not the foodish way. We are very integrated on the food and of course the service as well. From service to the food, the customer is always our focus. Søllerød Kro is 300 years old, and inside we are trying all the time to keep the standard. So the interior in here is classical, down to earth. We are trying every time to make people comfortable, not up here, but bring them down like they were at home in their own living room.
And the first little snack is this little egg with the egg yolk puree in the bottom. We also have lots of truffle and crispy potato.
And it's a caviar tin can with in the bottom we're calling it entreprise, and in the bottom we got some celeriac cream. In the middle we got some razor clams as a tartare, and on the top we got our signature caviar, and it's au cheddar salted the Søllerød way 3.4, and that's a dish who goes 10 years back. Grilled sandwich with a barbecue made of plums. Got some pistachio, salted, and some tahini flowers.
And so the next serving is poached egg yolk, which has been laying in a smoked oil and then placed on top of lots of marl mushrooms and marl mushroom sauce on the side. Covering the egg yolk is a crispy chicken skin. On the top of your serving, we will pour this little sauce, and this is a sauce aromatique, which also has lots of mushrooms in it. It has been fermenting for upwards to a year before we actually serve.
From the neck, from the biggest one, and we serve it like tuna, almost raw. One of our signature dishes are the beef or the tenderloin fried in bone marrow with a sauce that we season with caviar, as we're calling it up here, Søllerød salt. It with fermented peppers and beetroot as well.
A little refresher. a small ice cube made of thyme and lemon, and this is called green tea based on ginger.
We got our celeriac that we baked for 3.5 hours, took it out of the shell, and we baked it for 2 days until it was totally dry. Then we rehydrated it in oranges and some flower water.